Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you joined me on the street triple with James behind me, now in front of me, and we are on our way to a place called the Original Tea Hut. It's a place in Epping Forest. It's a little biker hangout that I've been meaning to go to for quite some time, but I've never been, so we thought the weather's nice this morning, we'll go. James, are you excited?
Absolutely, I've been excited since we've been on the road, man.
Yeah, we've been on the road for what, about 20 minutes now already?
Yeah, dude.
I thought I'm not going to start the video in Southend because you probably also enough of the roads in Southend.
Yeah, we're tired of Southend. Mate, I still can't get over how you pulled up in front of my house in front of that thing.
Oh, yeah.
I could talk, I swear.
So we're currently on the approach to Chelmsford. I need to get fuel pretty quickly. But yeah, I'll roll on the intro. You'll have some footage of us on the way there, and then we'll see what this place is all about. So I hope you all enjoy. Action, we're in business. Okay, I'm slowly falling backwards.
Hold on, let me come and give you a little love tap.
Oh, ooh, truck scrambler. Ooh, the scrambler, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Try and friend. Right, turning off this exit here. I'm chasing him.
Oh, this is a nice view.
Yeah, so we're on a nice road now, I'm pretty sure. Terrible, I suppose. What?
It's open. Oh,
That bump was a bit terrible, wasn't it?
Oh, you're telling me? Ah!
Boing!
I'll have another one.
Honey and ice cream the other day, that was quite nice. Oh, I've been had.
Very nice.
That audio is going to come out on camera, but that was fun.
Tom, put your cock away.
Oh, I see. I get the joke now.
This is a windy road.
It's nice seeing all the orange in the trees.
Yeah, man. Autumn is just the best season of the year.
Oh
is
my
this?
god! The cab's going for it! Fucking hell!
I want to go for it.
Well, that's a bit nerve-wracking going over the fucking cat size when it's wet. Oh, right, Jenny on the front wheel. Oh, that was terrifying. Hey, there's bikes here, yes. Right, lead the way. How do we get in? There we go.
Oh, lovely. Very nice.
Scooter.
Yeah, man. That's what I say, lovely.
Wow.
Oh, very nice.
Very gently on the throttle here, I think. I'm going to park up next to this KTM if you want to.
Yeah. I'm going to go on the opposite side of it.
Yeah, go for it. That'll do. Nicely. Oh, splendid. We've made it.
In one piece.
Right, well, we have arrived. James, what are we thinking?
It's a very nice spot, actually.
We had a bit of a nightmare, didn't we? Because
yeah, where do we begin?
we arrived and it was cash only.
No, our problems began way before.
Oh yeah, our problems began with me turning up at yours, and the my intercom hadn't charged, even though I plugged it in all night. So we were half an hour late because we had to let it charge. And then we got here and realised it was cash only, so then we had to go 5 minutes down the road to a Sainsbury's, and that was a nightmare.
Yeah.
Because there was a bunch of roundabouts basically, and the traffic was crazy.
Yeah.
But this is the place, this is the Original Tea Hut. Look at the dog, it's very cute. So yeah, Cash only if you do want to come here. What did you get? We both got the same, didn't we?
I've pretty much got the exact same thing. Cappuccino. I've got a sausage baguette.
And I've got a sausage
orders
baguette.
was flown off.
Cappuccino. Anyway. So yeah, it's basically in this little car park off the side of Main Road. Bunch of little like tables with umbrellas. Over there are all the bikes. That little thing. Where's mine? Oh, that's me. Holy shit. For like what? I think it's £5.50 for the baguette. I mean,
Yeah.
that is plenty. You went for brown sauce, did you?
Yes.
You're a brown sauce guy.
For sausages, yes.
I've never had it. I think I've tried it once, but like a tiny bit. But yeah, as I was saying, so yeah, bikes are over here. Where is mine? There's mine. And then James's is, I think, behind here, behind these two. Also, the Multistrada has a very fuzzy seat. We're going to have a proper look after we've eaten, but there is also quite a rather nice Mustang right there, so we'll have a look at that as well. But yeah. Go on, James, let's get a review. He's grabbing it. He's swatting a fly away.
That's a wasp.
Cool. What are you thinking?
That is awesome.
That is awesome, he says.
That is awesome.
That is awesome. Let's try this.
Thoughts and opinions.
Sausage dog. I'm eating a sausage dog now.
He rates it sausage dog out of 10.
For £5, that is absolutely incredible.
Absolutely.
That is tremendous.
Oh yeah.
I'm definitely coming back here.
I mean, it's a good ride, isn't it? So
Yeah, it's pretty decent coming up here as well.
yeah, it really is a good ride here. So
Basically, we did obviously from Southend, we went up the 127 on the A13 or whatever it is, the Chelmsford, through Chelmsford, and then on the, I'll put the name on the road up now, it's the A whatever that goes from Chelmsford along towards Northfield, and we went through Northfield, through Epping, and then ended up here. I actually quite enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Some lovely rides around here. We're
Yeah,
definitely
yeah.
gonna go a bit more after.
except for a couple of hills that were a bit creepy, but new experience, and both of us working our new bikes in, so
Yeah, it's true. I've literally been riding mine for 3 days, and you've been riding yours for what, about 3 weeks?
about 3 weeks, yeah. Right, I think we're going to tuck in. Just about hear it. Sounds like big.
Right, I guess it's time to have a look at the bikes, isn't it? What have we got then? We've got a Ducati Multistrada with a very fluffy seat.
Very fluffy. I want to pet it.
What do we think of the fluffy seat?
I want to pet it.
Pet the seat.
I want to pet it.
Got a big old GS next to it. Oh, fluffy seat. Nice GS. Obviously there's James's Hornet.
Yeah, who's parked their Hornet there? What
Oh god, why would you park your Hornet there?
God.
Big old KTM. How are you finding the Hornet so far?
Really good actually. Now I've got it into sports mode, I'm starting to realise what it can do. I've done a bit of research on it, and apparently every other mode actually puts restrictors on it,
Right.
which I find interesting. These are what other people are saying at the moment, when they describe it as restrictors. So when I stuck it in sports mode, for one weird reason, it's not using as much petrol. And I'm,
Bike's not struggling.
yeah, it's not struggling, it's not being choked out anymore.
Those two are very nice. That little Honda moped is absolutely incredible. I only know it's a Honda because it says Honda on the back of the seat. I saw it earlier.
I'm only joking, I ain't got a Hornet.
Go ahead, Dara. No. What else have we got? If we head over here, it's quite an old BSA, isn't it? That's nice. What year that is? Very fancy. It's got an old tax disc on it as well. We've got an F900 XR. Always nice to see. And over here, got another GS. Followed by another GS. Because there are never enough GSs in the world. And that one's probably the nicest livery. And also we've got this big thing. That's a Bentley, not a Rolls. It's quite a big old thing, isn't it?
I feel a little bit out of my area. We're surrounded by
we are scum.
high society.
High society.
Yeah, and here's us just self-end normies.
Big up. And here we've got a Kawasaki Versys. I don't know if that's a 650 or a 1000. I think it's only a 650. I think the 1000's a bit bigger. But obviously
Have you seen
there's...
what's forward up next to it?
Oh, you know, this almost would be a bike that I would own. Oh wait, I do own it. It's literally, I've had this... So what, I've been riding this for 2 days now? 3 days. Yes, and I'm already out on it. It's been quite fun up here, quite comfy. I had one bit, didn't I, when my wheel slipped out on the way up here, and that's it so far.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I thought you were gonna.
Oh God, don't say that.
You did slip quite a bit, but you recovered really well.
Yeah, it was fine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, hang on, we're gonna have a look at the Mustang as well.
What do you have to say about it before we go on?
It's very cool. I like it a lot.
It's very good.
Oh shit, there's a bike.
Hold on. What's that?
Ducati Diavol.
Nice.
The only issue is I've got this in person tracking mode, so it's not. It keeps trying to look for eyeballs to focus on. It's nice, isn't it? Right, let's go look at this Mustang real quick. Now that is a serious bit of kit, isn't it? That is very nice. I don't really know much about Mustangs, but I know that's an old one, and I know that's probably worth a lot of money. There you go, GT350 it says. I'm going to assume that's what it is.
Now I must say, strictly no parking unless you've got a beauty like this.
Exactly. Except, might be the owners, you never know.
Gorgeous.
It is nice, isn't it? Oh, we've got a car coming in. Ignore the Renault. And ignore the Nissan. It is nice, isn't it? Very nice. But yeah, so this is the original T-Hut. It is absolutely great here. That's pretty much it now, so we'll probably make a move. I've got work tonight. James, final thoughts on the original T-Hut?
On the original T-Hut, bloody good spot.
It's good, isn't it?
My only complaint is, like, I don't usually like bringing cash out, but
It is what it is.
It is worth it. The extra trip.
I mean,
and
$8.50.
getting lost on the way back.
$8.50 for a giant baguette and a nice cappuccino. I mean, you can't complain at all.
I mean, yeah, it was a really large baguette. It had like 3 sausages in it. They were cooked to perfection, and the baguette was so soft. It was so good.
Very nice.
Very nice. The coffee was really hot.
Yes.
Very hot. Burn them out.
Yes. Right, I guess it's time for us to go make a move.
Just start pulling up beside me, and then we'll take a look. Here we are. Cool, I'm fucking stuffed now.
Right, go on, lead the way, I'll follow. Well, I will definitely be coming back here again.
Absolutely, this is awesome.
Right, well, where are we going, boss?
I don't know.
Oh, the connection's gone. Right, just watch yourself on the gravel when you pull away.
Yep. Yep, well done, stand right there, I can't see anything now.
You're clear, I can see.